Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll share with you one of my most loved Thanksgiving side dishes recipe ever. This is baked sweet potato casserole. Also, it's topped with marshmallows, which makes it super kid friendly and so healthy and delicious. To make it healthy, I've made it healthy and sugar free. So let's get started. You want to peel up your sweet potatoes and then chop them into really small bite-sized chunks. You want to chop them up really finely so that they get perfectly fork tender after they cook them. Now you want to transfer it to a glass baking dish along with some salted water. You can also cook this in a stovetop for 5 minutes or microwave for 10 minutes until they are fork tender. And once the sweet potatoes are cooked through, you want to drain the rest of the water and allow them to cool down. Next, add some unsalted butter to this along with some cinnamon and stevia. I know generally brown sugar is used here, but just to make it sugar free, I'm adding stevia here. You can use any sugar substitute or zero sugar maple syrup as well. Just mash it up really well using a spatula or a potato masher if you have that, and then transfer to an 8 by 8 inch greased baking dish. You want to use a glass or ceramic baking dish because that's what works the best for this recipe. And then top with some marshmallows. You can also top with some pecan nuts or walnuts as well, and bake for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. And there you go, this easy sweet potato casserole is ready in no time. I love the beautiful golden brown color caramel of the marshmallows on top. That's what makes it so easy and so delicious, right? Thanks a lot for watching this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel for more such easy and healthy Thanksgiving desserts which you love for sure. Have a great Thanksgiving, everyone.